time for unboxing. You ready for the unboxing? I am too. What's up, YouTube? So, not all my stuff have come, but this video is way overdue. So, guess what? We gotta do it today. It's today or never. Here we go. Bam. Alright, so I gotta open all these packages, so I'm gonna just pre-open them real quick. Otherwise, this video gonna be like 10 hours long. Package. So many package. So many package. Oh, did you guys copy anything today? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 items. But, you know, those gonna be unboxing videos, so you ain't gonna see them yet. Alright. I'll tell you one thing I got. I got the water bottle. That's the one thing I got. Alright, that's the 1 out of 3 things I got. But you gonna see that unboxing video soon. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. Actually, I'm gonna make this 10 hours long video. Cause I'm gonna open these one by one. They better got everything. I don't think they got everything, cause I only got 1 out of the 2 stack cups. But it is what it is. Let's get it going. Where's my scissor? Oh, found one right here. Woo! Woo! Green scissors. First package. Okay. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh shit. The camera's a little crooked, right? Yeah. Look better? Look better, guys? Sorry about that. I get carried away all the time. What I got? What I got? What I got? You ready? You ready? You ready? Spring back. Boom. Nope. Boom. Got 1 box logo sticker. What the? Alright, whatever. 1 box logo sticker. And a red waste bag. Woohoo! That's all I got. Alright. Big package. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It is hard to open. Well, what we got? Here we go. Boom. Oh! Lit. I got a little pouch. Oh, the bag's not even open. Bro, I don't even want to open it anymore. And I got poppy seed. Which is dope. Lit. 3 stickers. Alright, anyways. So for the package I got the white boxes. Yeah, I got it in a size medium. So I gotta get that. I also got the Hanes white tee in a small. I got the, okay, so it's the Molotov tee. Yep, so that's the sticker I got too. The Molotovs. I got this one medium white. Woo! 2 more box logo stickers. I got a million. I got the bricks. I got the bricks. Add 2 more to my stash. Oh shit. I got one of this. Bam! I got this white chair tee in a medium. Prodigy tee in a medium. And whoa, 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 whoa. Well, anyway. And we ran out of battery. So where was I? I think that was the last thing I showed. Let me remove the poppy seed real quick. Where's the poppy seed? Alright, yeah, it's a poppy seed. I'm gonna plant this. I was trying to get like 5, so then they only charged me like $10 shipping. I'm trying to be cheap, but they didn't let me. But anyway, another packet. I just saw small packages. Small packages. More packages! Which one is this one? I'm gonna feel kind of light. Third package. What's up? Bingo! Oh, a black shoulder bag. Black one. Couldn't get the red one. Couldn't get the tan one. Third option is the black box logo sticker 1. Whoa, 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 whoa! Well, anyway. Cool. Add more to my collection. That's it. Next. Alright, alright. Let's get it. Man, this is tough. Got some good stuff in here. Oh shit. This one's not even inside a white bag. What the hell? Oh, it is inside. Oh, my bad. My bad. Shopping bag. Nothing else. This one, I got the work gloves. Lit. FTW in white, medium, lit. Cherokee, black, medium. Jellyfish, white, medium, lit. Ooh, I got the poppy seed again. What looks to be 2 of the box logo stickers. Wait, is it the skateboard one? Come on, come on, come on, show me the skateboard one. I want the skateboard one. I don't know. My hope is really low. Yeah, it's the red one. Yeah, guys. Sorry to disappoint. Another 2 red box logo stickers. Can't hate. Free sticker. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, anyway. The small FTW sticker. Next gonna be this little guy. Oh man, this box logo sticker is beat to hell. Like a train hit it or something. Not 1. Not 2. But 3 zippers. Ooh, they look fresh. Ooh, they look fresh. Ooh, that. Bam. Next. Ooh, another package. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, anyway. The big FTW sticker, the box logo sticker, and the poppy seed. That's all I got in here. Nice. What I got in this package? The black large necklace tee. Nice. The medium chicken dinner black tee. Nice. The FTW white and a medium. Nice. The black medium jellyfish tee. Nice. 100% not a Supreme. Is Palace. Give me a receipt. Appreciate that. This is the first time I ordered Palace. The hoodie. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Yo, this is totally my style, bruh. It's totally. Yo. Oh. Totally my style. Loving it. Alright, back over here. Alright. Last but not least, the V-Box. Kinda sad I didn't get the skateboard stickers. It is what it is. There's a box in here. And 1 freaking box logo stickers. Oh, they didn't give me a bag. Damn. So sexy, bro. So sexy. Shut up, Zeppelin. Yo, so lit. Tennis balls! What's up, bro? Anyway, being too much, too extra. I'm making a mess. Oh, I forgot my favorite item. I'll be right back. Can't get the sticker. I got the board. What's up? What's up? And I got the chicken dinner one. And I got the chicken dinner one. What? Sorry guys, I'm being a little mean. I shouldn't do that. Well, I got a chicken dinner. I got this! Yeah! Excuse the mess, but this is how I put my Supreme stuff. Boop. Hang it up like that. This is how I roll. I don't really like the chart tee. I don't really like it. and then the pink jellyfish. Alright guys, that's about it for this week. Like always, social media right there. Right there. It ain't gonna move anywhere. Although I'm like rotating around. Oh, what is that? Woo! Fire. Anyways, yeah. So this week, it's the week 3. I cop a few items. Yeah, they're gonna take forever to come in. I'm still waiting for one more cup, but I figure that you guys been waiting for this video for a really long time, so I just want to do it. You guys want to see an apartment tour real quick? Nah, but I'll do a separate video. But this is just a preview. This is my apartment. That's it. Alright guys, tune in next week, hopefully, for whatever. See, oh yeah, one more thing, man. I'm not getting those drops like the line anymore. I'm not getting those numbers. Like this week when I signed up, they just like said, oh, the whatever sign up is closed. What's up with that? Guys, come on. Spending a lot of money on Supreme. The least you can do is give me one number. But my wife got a number, it was like 500 something. So I was like, ooh. But anyways, yeah, that's cool. I'm trying to get a number so I can go to New York with her. You know, it's kind of depressing. She's going by herself and everything, but it is what it is. Alright guys, peace out.